Okay, so I've made it now here to Tobu Zoo. I didn't fancy taking my chances of getting lost in a rice field, so I got the bus. I've now got to see if I can get a ticket, and hopefully I can communicate in English, because my Japanese is very limited. So yeah, I see English on the signs up here, so it's looking good. These are the opening times here. These are all the different like pass things you can get. I believe this is the one we want. This is the all-day pass for an adult, and these are kind of like school kids and elderly people and stuff. Yeah, this is the one we want, so let's go. Okay, so guys, something weird just happened. I had an entire conversation in Japanese just now to get in. I think jumping into the culture, it is a bit of a culture shock, and you just start doing things without realising, but I've got my band here now, so that's pretty cool. I can see Regina in the distance. Yes, that's what it's called. We're gonna go head to that. There's a ride called something. It looks really, really bad, but I need to get that. The main reason I'm here, Kawasemi, the Intamin Megalite, is gonna be my 200th coaster. So let's go now, let's head over to, let's do Regina first. There it is, Regina. Here we go. So just over there, that's Kawasemi. That's the reason we came here. Just kidding, this is the real reason. This is the OG ride of the park. Look at that, look. Wow. This park, I must admit, right off the bat, is actually really beautiful. It's like a very low budget Busch Gardens. Like you've got kind of like all the lakes and the trees, and it's just a really nice atmosphere. Everyone's kind of buggered off that way though, so I don't know if I was supposed to go round in a circular motion, but to be honest, I don't really care. Walking, walking, still walking. Oh, a tree. Still walking. Oh my god, a log. Whoa. I actually really like the music here. It's so goofy and corny. Wow. Okay, that's my new favourite song, whatever that was. Okay, so we've made it here to Regina, and it's not open at the moment, but I think from all of the parks that I've been to, a lot of rides tend to open up at around about 11 AM, and we've just got here just after 10, so I'm going to go for a bit of a walkabout, see where everything is, and come back. Let's start off by getting a drink from the vending machines. Okay, so I think I'm going to go for this thing here. I love apple juice. Okay, here we go. Kampai, my friends, here we go. Apple. By the looks of it, I think it may have just opened. That was convenient. I literally just came to grab some apple, and yeah, sounds good. Let's go check it out. So it looks like we're set to be first on. Who knows, maybe I'll be the only rider on the train. That'd be pretty interesting. Let's go check it out. Oof. Absolutely no idea what that means. I bet there's a really cool story to these. This is my favourite, look. Shinobi ambush flash mob likely to happen. Let's go. Konnichiwa, my friends. Whole train to myself. That was absolutely awesome. There were so many airtime pockets. Hey, check this out. Awesome. Konnichiwa, YouTuber. Oh, psycho. Oh man, I love Japan. This is awesome. Just made a new friend, look.
Thank you.
Woo! Psycho!
Thank you.
You too, friend. What an awesome ride. That was Regina here at Tobu Zoo. That was so great. No idea what she's saying. Sounds quite serious. But we're not here to be serious. We're here to have fun. Let's go. Oh my god. What the hell is that? Speaking of weird things, this is what we've got next. Tento mushi. Arigatou gozaimasu. So that was actually pretty intense for a kiddie ride. That was pretty crazy. I normally try and do the bigger rides and, you know, don't really include these, but that's Tento mushi. It's a little bit faster the second time around because they send you through the station after you've done one complete circuit and they send you again. And I swear it seems faster the second time round. But yeah, definitely check it out if you're in the area. I mean, you might as well. It's included with the pass. So you get this cool little wristband thing. We're now going to make our way over to the crowning glory of this park, the Intamin megalite, known as Kawasemi. Oh yeah, I've been looking forward to this. Let's see if we can find the way in. So I found the entrance. It's right next to the elephant with a VR headset on and a bird with a guy on the back of it eating a fish. Can't miss it. Yeah, here we go, look, Kawasemi. This is arguably the park's best ride. The two flagship attractions here are Regina, the wooden coaster, and Kawasemi. So let's go kick this one's butt and claim our 200th credit. Oh yeah. Konnichiwa, my friend.
Please follow.
Follow Twitter. Oh yeah. A freaking go-kart! Woohoo! I don't know what any of this means! What the hell do these do? I only went on it for a joke, it's actually really good. Okay, I'm punching into hyperspeed. Beep, beep, beep. Man, what an awesome park. So this is Regina behind me. You've also got Kawasemi. Definitely worth checking out as there are no Intamin megalites in the United States or in England for that matter. So check it out if you're in the area. There are a few other little things you can do around here, but those are the big reasons to come and visit. So I'm going to wrap the vlog up here, guys. I've got a few more hours left, but as I say, in the meantime, feel free to check out some of my other content, and I will see you in the next adventure. Take care.